Demolition Derby, a town, a city that is crumbling, a ghost of its former self. It longs to be resurrected. Demolition Derby, a place, a home that is stagnating. Standing there is a hotel, but it has seen no guests. Demolition Derby, an area, a space that is unenticing. We have boarded up windows, but they see no light. Demolition Derby, a hub, a centre that is dying. A former theatre watches its own self as the drama unfolds. Demolition Derby, a refuge, a sanctuary that is drowning. A church once bathed in glory, but now it sees no God. Demolition Derby, a land, an estate that is falling. A home of potential, but it is left inhospitable. Demolition Derby, a gap, an absence that is growing. A space where the urban and nature collide. A war zone of possibilities. Demolition Derby, a life force, a source, where weeds will grow, even in the most barren of surfaces. Demolition Derby, a smudge, a mark on the map. When all is not lost, it's just having a rest.